iPhone 8 screen replacement. Learn how to replace your iPhone 8 screen. This part comes with the front-facing camera, EP speaker, and EMI shield already installed, making for an easier repair. Remove the two 3.5mm pentalobe screws on the bottom edge of the iPhone. Power off your iPhone before beginning disassembly. Opening the iPhone's display will compromise its waterproof seals. Have replacement seals ready before you proceed past this step, or take care to avoid liquid exposure if you reassemble your iPhone without replacing the seals. Do not raise the display more than 15 degrees or you'll risk straining or tearing the ribbon cables connecting the display. If your iPhone's auto brightness feature does not work properly after your screen repair, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 12. True Tone functionality is disabled after a screen replacement, even when using an original Apple screen. If your iPhone has a cracked screen, keep further breakage contained and prevent bodily harm during your repair by taping over the glass. To reassemble your device, follow these instructions in reverse order. Throughout this guide, keep careful track of your screws so that each one goes back where it came from during reassembly. Installing a screw in the wrong place can cause permanent damage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Repairs to Go for more video tutorials.